Kaya hindi lang ako kumulsurya, kaya nag-uol ko yung doon tanaw. Pero, ako naman tiwason. Akong respect to our patron saint, Saint Joseph, our Reverend Father Dexter Tuscon, the members of the Tourism, Culture and Arts and Heritage Council, my fellow municipal officials, barangay officials, district supervisor, school heads, teachers and staff from Department of Education, LGU department heads and employees, officer in charge and representatives from national agencies, civil society organizations, fellow public servants, guests and visitors, happy Founding Day. Let me start by thanking our Heavenly Father, first and foremost, for allowing us to reach this point of celebration. Also to our patron Saint Joseph the Worker, life has not been very easy for us during the time of the pandemic. The various levels of our life, we have embraced challenges at varying degrees. Nevertheless, there is still a smile on our face and joy in our heart, and there are multiple reasons to be grateful. Today, we celebrate and Thanksgiving as we commemorate our town existing or the creation of Matalom as municipality. This is the time to reflect on the past, to remember our forefathers, and to revisit the ideas that lead to the formation of our beloved town. Remembering the past and the origin of our history is a worthwhile task in order to renew and embrace our culture, heritage, tradition, resources, and its people. It gives us the sense of pride and awareness of what we are. This occasion is a reminder of our glorious past, for it brings to mind the rich culture, beauty, potential, and wonder of our beloved town. We all have the reason to celebrate that in spite of the challenges, we always rose from where we fall and move forward. Several changes have happened. We look around and we barely see the traces of old Matalom. Istorya lang sa ating atwa. We have progressed by leaps and bounds. I'm sure the founders of our municipality are very happy when we are handling their legacy. I am proud of being lumad nga Matalomnon, and I will always be. Indeed, our years been panaghugpong o panagtinabangay tulay sa pag-abot sa gininguhang kalambuan o kauswagan ni atong yutang na tawhan. Reflect our focus on achieving our desire and sustainable development for better Matalom. With of course, with our cooperation and full support, the preservation and enrichment of our cultural heritage can be achieved through the collaborative efforts of all stakeholders. I believe we are evolving seafood tourism industry where a strong leadership and close partnership is visible, where everyone takes full responsibility in his or her part and share the vision of becoming tourist attraction and an engine of economic growth of Matalom. With the overwhelming support and impressive outcome of attendance and participants from day one of the celebration until this evening, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to everyone for all the effort each one of you has placed in realizing the accomplishment we have achieved. May this occasion be the instrumental in brightening everyone's passion and obtain a very happy and meaningful celebration, and I will become an affair to remember in the history of our beloved municipality of Matalom. Daghang salamat, umaadlong gabi na kung tanan.